Introducing Winton Machine's high-speed tube cutoff machine, engineered for speed, precision, and non-stop production. Start with our Dual Power Payoff, designed to keep material moving effortlessly. Add in a servo-controlled material feed straightener, and you've got consistent, reliable advancement every time. The touchscreen UI makes operation simple, while batch processing keeps your production lines efficient. Need adjustments? With on-the-fly program editing, you can change parameters without slowing down. And with a blazing 25 inches per second feed rate, you'll hit output goals with ease. Choose an optional offload table for extended handling, while customer-specified lengths are delivered by a chipless rotary cutter for smooth, burr-free finishes. Pair that with advanced quality control and the option to add black mark detection, and you've got unmatched accuracy. At Winton, we are tube cutting experts. Whether you're cutting copper or aluminum, you can choose from a variety of additional payoff options. Even while the machine is running, program changes are possible. Expand your capability with additional software options, dual powered payoff, and the latest technology, microprocessor control, programmable feed rate, and programmable cut length, all without stopping production. Plus, our new Matic clamp assemblies provide superior support for smoother operation. Winton Machine, precision, productivity, and performance in every cut. Want to find out what we can do for you? Call 1-888-321-1499 today, or subscribe for more tube fabrication solutions. Got questions? Leave us a comment below. If you want to see more American-made tube fabrication videos, watch one of these additional videos.